Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Please subscribe guys. Starting today guys, I am avoiding rice as much as I can guys. Kasi parang malaki na ako guys. So, ito lang guys, yung order ko guys. Oh, yung macaroni soup. Sarap guys eh. Ito guys. Pero ano guys, hindi ko siya ubusin agad-agad. Dahan-dahan lang sa pagkain. Para hindi mabigla yung katawan ko guys. So, pag naggutom ako, kain ako ng konti. And then water. Oh, ganon. Tapos guys, pakita ko sa inyo guys pag nakabawas na ako guys. Thank you so much.